Hey, what's up guys, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to share with you about a new trick that I found, and it is very useful, about Chrome developer tool. This is a website and a virtual tour website. A client gave me the link of this virtual tour website to ask me to check it out and to take a look about a sample of virtual tour that they want me to make for them, to make same virtual tour for them. They gave me this reference in this link, but there is annoying thing that I hate about this virtual tour. It is the registration thingy. I checked out this link, and when I open it for first time, it always shows me this pop-up window, pop-up element of HTML form asking me to register to access this virtual tour, and it is very annoying. I already registered once, and the second day I opened this page, it asked me to register again. What the heck? It is asking my name, my phone number, email, and so on. And I don't want to type in my information, my personal information here every time I open this page. So I found this trick. I figured out how to skip this registration process, and it is using Google Developer Tool. You can access Google Developer Tools here. Settings, no, more tools, Developer Tools, or you can press Ctrl and Shift and I together, and you will see this. You can just not to open the developer tool, just do this one. Right click on this element, this annoying element. You will find, right click and click inspect, and you will find the HTML tag of this element. It is this one. What you can do is to right click on this element and click delete element. It's gone now, but you will have this transparent overlay here that prevents you to interact with the virtual tour. You can do the same thing. Right click, inspect, you will find this one and do deleting this again, and you will see another one. Click delete element, and now you are in without registering. What do you think? I found this trick very useful, and let me know if you have any opinion. Thank you for watching.